Okay, today's problem is design circular deque. Design circular deck. So let me read the problem. So I've been solving that quite recently. Okay, so my idea here is to do that with linked list. Oh, like I can even program it by myself, like public static void class list node, and then public int value. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna have private list node head, and then public here list node next, and public list node. Okay, let's make it bigger. Previous. Let me check if I'm recording. Am I recording? Seems like I'm recording. Not sure though, like which microphone is used. Let me check this one. This should be better. The properties, audio, pulse audio. I can do this headset. It should be better. I hope it's better. So what I do here, I have the sentinel nodes head equals new list node. Oh, let's have this private list node tail, and then on initialization I'll go head equals new list node, and then tail equal new list node, and then head previous equals tail, and then tail next equals head, and it can be initialization, and then I'll have the size k, private int k, and then this k equals k, and then I'll go to this insert front, insert last, and delete front, delete last. Okay, insert front. How I can do that? Okay, I'll do that. I'll check first if k, okay, private int size, let's call it capacity equals k, size should be equal to 0. If size is equal capacity, then I'll return false, and otherwise I'll have front list node Um, let's have the common function private boolean, or like void insert after, and then list node, and then I'll assume node list node dot pref node previous equals node dot previous, and then node dot no okay, node previous, okay, and then node previous equals insert after list node after, and here node and then let's say previous equals after previous, and then after previous equals node, and then node next equals after, and then previous next equals node, and then node previous equals previous. That's gonna be insert after, and then here I'm gonna just call this function sort after head, and okay, new node, and then I'll pass this, have this in constructor public void public list node int value, and this value equals value, and here I'll create the node and pass it to the insert after. So it's called insert node after, insert node after. So new node, and then I'll pass the value, and then after I'm gonna have head here, and then return true, and then insert last I'm gonna have insert node after. Okay, the same check.
I'm bored. I want to go outside. I'm feeling good. I didn't cough at all. Did you have a coffee?
New node value.
Did you say? Carrie said, "Oh, can you give me some water? Warm water? Oh, can you blow out my nose? Can you do something for me? Can you do something for me about sickness?"
Okay, so delete from.
Did you hear me say that?
If
no, that
size equals 0,
I'm feeling better and I want to
return
go outside.
false.
And I can't go outside.
And here I'm gonna have
because when you do not hear me do anything like
private
void
delete node after list node.
Did you hear me saying that? Huh? If you didn't, then you should let me go outside.
And then I'll say, okay, list node pref
Are you even listening?
equals after pref dot pref.
Dad, I am going to lose
and
my
then
temperature. If you're going to be so
after
rude and mean,
previous equals pref,
then
pref, and
I don't know, I'm going to
pref next equals after. Zlata, I'm recording the video.
And I'm talking to you and you're like, oh, just talking to the computer. Not even saying anything to me. I think you're the one who should be staying at home, not doing anything and being sick for your rude behavior.
Dot node after, and then tail dot next. next. So if size equals 0, I'm gonna return false. And then here also I need to increment the delete node after, insert node after, and then size plus size, okay, not here, size plus size minus, and then here I'm gonna have the same. Let's keep the invariant up to the size equals capacity, size equals 0, return false, and then here return true, and then here the same. If the size equals capacity, return false, and then here also boolean, and here also boolean, and then here return true, here return true, and then I'm gonna do this return. Okay, so I need to at least check it here. Insert front, insert last. Return. Okay. Okay, delete front. Okay, I don't need to do insert after, delete node after. Just delete node. I don't want to deal with that. Delete node, then node, and here previous equals node previous, and then after equals node next, and then previous dot next equals after, and after dot previous equals previous. Next, previous. Yeah, something like this. Third last. Delete node head dot previous, and then return, and then here the same, delete node last. Okay, delete node, and then get front. If return this size equals not equals 0, then the head brief val, otherwise -1, the same, return size not equals 0, then tail next val, otherwise -1 is empty. Return size equals 0, return size equals capacity, something like that. Okay. What is not right here? Next previous equals previous, okay. New node. What is right there? Here, no, 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 no. Okay. What is the problem? Okay. Yep. So let's check what I was submitting before that. Capacity size, third front, third left. Okay. So a little bit more optimized this time, like in terms of API. So, right. Okay, so let's wrap up.